Hey friends, welcome back to Virajo Learning Hub. Welcome to our tech journey where we the magic behind desktop virtualization and its backend infrastructure. So ever wished your desktop could follow you? Desktop virtualization does just that. Your entire desktop is hosted on a remote server accessible from any device. So there are some great things about desktop virtualization. Centralized productivity is one of them. Your work tool in one place. Desktop everything, making your work environment consistent and accessible wherever you go. Second, enhance security. Security is the superhero. Your data sits securely on the powerful servers, reducing the risk of data loss or breaches on individual devices. Flexibility across devices. So the third pillar of this socialization is flexibility. Flexibility is the name of the game. Accessing your virtual desktop from different devices, adopting your work style seamlessly. Now coming to the backend infrastructure, let's behind the scene. The backend infrastructure is the powerhouse, making desktop virtualization possible. The first thing which we need to understand, robust server. Meet the brain behind it all. Powerful server hosts your virtual desktop, ensuring that runs smoothly and efficiently. Then network connectivity. It's all about staying connected. A robust network infrastructure ensures seamless communication between your device and the virtual desktop. Then data storage and management. Data has a home. Backend infrastructure manages data storage, making sure the files are safe, organized, and readily available. Digitalization transforms how you work, while the backend infrastructure works tirelessly to ensure it happens seamlessly. In this tech company, desktop virtualization and backend infrastructure dance together and creating a harmonious digital experience. Ready to join this dance? Explore more on virajo.in or write us at sales at. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and stick around for more tech adventures.